Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today I'm gonna teach you how to do this ceiling or the circle one. Okay, like this. Simple. We go for this ceiling function. Okay, double click on here. Okay, then open the grill first. Open the grill first. Then you can start draw the ceiling circle one. Or maybe I start in here. Okay, and I offset one. Okay, click on it. Or offset maybe 100. 100 too small. Okay, so I've offset it like 200, 300. Okay, 300, something like this. Okay, after that, so make sure you remember here this one is 300. Okay, so this one we make it 10 or 10. Okay, then this one will go up. Okay, in here the circle line you can click lighting or generate lighting. Okay, and this one also you can click here generate lighting. Okay, so after you're done, exit. Okay, so this is the circle ceiling or like this one. Okay, circle ceiling. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.